Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a new collection from Colourpop. It's not a surprise because Colourpop is coming out with collections left and right. So the previous two videos of mine here on my channel have all been Colourpop collections. So just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I do tend to post the collections before they launch so you guys get an idea of what is inside of the collections. I also share with you guys swatches, and I also take you on a tutorial on how to use the products that are in the collections that I do review here. So just subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos from me. I appreciate your time, appreciate you being here more than you know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and review the Roaring Hearts collection.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Here you guys are looking at the entire collection. It comes with an eyeshadow palette. It comes with 8 lipstick. They're not lipsticks. They're lip lacquers. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It comes with 3 liquid liners. It comes with a set of Super Shock shadows. It comes with 2 sets of it. And then it comes with 2 loose highlighters, some fake eyelashes, and that wraps up this collection. I'm going to show you guys the swatches of each product. Okay, we're looking at the Roaring Hearts eyeshadow palette. This is the front of the palette. It's really pretty. And you also get, oh no, it's not 9, it's 10 shades of eyeshadows inside of this palette. It does have a combination of shimmers and matte shades. It also has a good size mirror in here. It's perfect for traveling. And I really like this palette for the holidays. I'm more of a neutral glam wearer. I like wearing neutral colors for holiday season. I don't do a lot of colorful stuff. These are all the swatches that you guys are seeing of the palette. Amazing pigmented shades. I really love the shimmers as well. Really pretty. Definitely, if you do not have a neutrals palette, this is one that you're going to want to pick up. It's really affordable. This collection also comes with some loose highlighters. There's 2 of them, 2 different shades. You guys can see the component right here. We have 2 different colors. This one here is called Charleston. And then we also have another one, and this one is in the color In the Groove, which I'm going to be using in today's video, but here are the swatches of both of them. Moving along to the Super Shock shadow sets, we have the set that is called Fancy Feathers, and the other one is called Oh That Jazz. This is what the components of the Super Shock shadows look like, and then I'm going to show you guys the swatches of this one. Again, this one is the swatches for the Oh That Jazz Super Shock Shadow Duo. It consists of a champagne color, and then we have the shimmery black eyeshadow. The next swatches are going to be of the Fancy Feathers Super Shock Shadow Duo. You guys can see the swatches right here. So shimmery, so buttery. If you guys have never tried them, these Super Shock shadows just glide on so effortlessly onto the eye with just using your finger. Then moving on to my favorite part of the collection, we have beautiful lip lacquers. We have a total of 8, and I'm going to swatch them all for you. So we're going to be starting off with from left to right, lightest to darkest. The first color that you guys are seeing here is called Speak Easy. The second one is called Brandy. The third one is called Scotch Kiss. The fourth one is called Cabaret. The fifth one is On the Ritz. The 6th one is Sidecar. The 7th one is called Café de Paris. And the 8th one is called Sherry Liquor. I really love lip lacquers, but my favorite one I'd have to say is the 4th one called Cabaret. Let me know which shade is your favorite down below in the comments. This collection also comes with 1 pair of faux lashes. These are in the style Flapper, and they are very lightweight. I personally do not like them very much because they're not very full. But they are very lightweight and they have a really thin band. Last but not least, this collection has graphic eyeliners. These are liquid liners, and we have 3 different shades. This here is what the components look like, and they also have a really fine tip, so it makes it easy to do precise lines. These here are the swatches of these liquid liners. The first gold one is called Had to Be You. The black one is called Love Full. And the third one is called Party crush. And that completes the whole review of the collection. Now, if you guys would like to see me use the products, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, my loves, so we're gonna get started by applying some eyeshadow primer. We're gonna move on to using the first shade from the palette. This one here is called Pour Another, and this is such a beautiful transition color. It is so soft and very easy to blend. As you can see, I am using a fluffy brush just so that it just blends out and smooths the edges really well. I don't like having harsh edges. I love to have blended looks. Okay, if there's one thing that you will not see from me is something not blended, and if you see something unblended from me, then don't judge me, okay, because I'm probably trying something new, and I'll get better. Okay, practice makes perfect, remember that. If you feel that your eyeshadow is not looking very blended out, like if you see that it ends at it, like you have that line, you know what I mean? Like some people just end their eyeshadow and you can see that line. It doesn't look soft and blown out. So what you need to do is grab a good fluffy blending brush like the one I'm using in this video. Moving on to the next shade. This one is called That Sax. Yeah, I'm taking this color and applying it with another fluffy brush. This one isn't as fluffy as the previous one. It's still fluffy, but not as fluffy, if that makes any sense. This one is from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I'm not sure if their brushes are sold individually, but this is from such a cool eyeshadow brush set. If you guys are looking for an eyeshadow brush set, this one has every eyeshadow brush that you will need. I will have it linked down below in the description box along with a discount code for you guys. I did gift one of these sets over to my sister, and it's just a brush set that a beauty lover needs. So if you are looking for a brush set to gift to somebody, I highly recommend this one. As you can see, I am just continuing to deposit the color at the outer corner and just blend it out until we break up that outer corner. It just blends in so pretty and so easily into that other color. As you guys can clearly see, I'm loving these shadows so far. But I am going to go back into that fluffy brush and just work on the edges just a little bit more, just because I am a perfectionist. The next color I'm picking up is a dark brown color. This one is called Lindy Hop. And I'm applying this with a much thinner fluffy brush, and I'm just applying it to the outer corner right there, working the edges once again just to soften everything up. And you can see how wonderful these eyeshadows are blending into each other. I'm creating the perfect transition from color to color. When playing with neutrals, or when I receive a neutrals palette, I do love creating easy looks because that's what I feel people want to see more of when playing with neutrals. So something easy. Now I'm taking the Super Shock shadow from the collection. This one is called Avant Garde. And with Super Shock shadows, you don't even need brushes. You can just use your fingers. So I'm taking my ring finger and just dabbing it onto the center of my lid, and then just working my way somewhat inward, not totally, but you can just see the shimmer of the Super Shock shadow. It is so creamy and so easy to apply. And now to the bottom of the eye, I'm applying the color That Sax, and that's the one that we also applied to the top. So I'm just applying it to the bottom and really working this very gently underneath the eye area just so it can look really soft. I think it's crazy that some of you guys have been subscribed to my channel for some time and continue to watch me over the years, and my taste for makeup does continue to change as I get older. I'm just loving more soft and easy looks, something that just doesn't require a lot of time, because I know our time is very limited. We have families and we have a lot of things to do, especially during holiday season. So I hope you guys like this super easy eye look. For lip liner, I'm using this one from Colourpop. It's the BFF2 lip liner, and I really love their lip vaults. Their lips, hold on. When I talk fast, I can't catch my breath. Okay, they have some lip pencil vault on their website. It consists of, I think, 10 lip pencils, and they have all sorts of different shades. There's a neutral vault, and then there's also like the pink red vault. So I'll have that link down below if you guys are interested. This makes a perfect gift for like stocking stuffers. They're small and perfect for those makeup lovers. So make sure you guys do check out Colourpop this holiday season. They're really affordable, and I think that everybody will find something on their website. So I do have a discount code with Colourpop if you guys want to shop this collection, or if you guys just want to shop anything from Colourpop, you guys can get $5 off of any purchase when you shop with Colourpop using my code. I'll have it again linked down below in the description box. I'm going to be using the lip lacquer from this collection in the color Cabaret. This one was definitely hands down my favorite color. I've been using this one nonstop. And that wraps up this review of the Roaring Hearts collection. Let me know what you guys decided to pick up. If you already picked it up, let me know what you guys got. And if you haven't shopped this collection, it is available for you to purchase. I will have a link listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I also provide you guys with a $5 off coupon when you do shop with Colourpop. It is not affiliated, so I do not earn commission based off of you guys using my code. But if you guys would like to support me, if you click on the link, the link itself is affiliated, so I do earn commission, and that supports my channel and my love for makeup, and it brings me these videos that I'm able to review. It allows me to review products for you guys, so I appreciate your support. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.